When we first went into quarantine a month ago, I looked around my house and knew that we needed to figure out a different process for keeping the house clean. And I thought immediately of something that I learned from going to Japan and visiting elementary schools to find out about how the children at the school clean their school every day. And in fact, now our house is our school. And so I instituted a new process for our kids. I showed them some videos about Japanese kids cleaning their school and said that every day after lunch, just like the Japanese children, we too would be spending 15 minutes of doing some sort of cleaning of our house. And I was thrilled today to see the kids so excited still. Well, my 6-year-old more than my 9-year-old, but they are doing their Souji every day and cleaning the house. And we are making sure bit by bit the house is staying clean, and they are learning responsibility for their environment and for their house and for taking care of our things together. So I'm thrilled to be able to have helped them get in this new process, and all together it's something we do every day. And so I hope maybe you are inspired too by how you can bring a little Souji into your household as well. So in my video, I want to show you the evolution of how over the last 30 days we have instituted a practice of Souji in our household, and show you a few photos and then videos of interviewing my 6-year-old today. So the photos start off with showing my children the videos from the Japanese school children. There's some great links that I'll include here as well that you can share with your children as well, about how they actually spend 15 to 20 minutes every day, not just tidying up their classroom, but really cleaning, using rags, getting on their floor. Take people to Japan to go on a Japan study trip, we always start off with going to an elementary school to see not only how the kids serve lunch to each other, but how they clean up afterwards. And it's just a really powerful, inspiring way that showed us how some of those deep practices of cleanliness and respect for community environment can be taught at an early age, and really has inspired me to how to do that better with my family as well. So then you'll see sort of a few weeks in, the kids getting, doing their Souji. My 6-year-old is definitely way more into it than the 9-year-old. And then the interviews today of starting to do the mopping and getting into the Souji. But it's been a great practice. It also breaks up the cleaning. I still do a deep clean, for an hour or so over the weekend, but it keeps it from getting too piled up and is teaching responsibility to everyone. So I encourage you to bring a little Souji into your life and to work with your kids and whomever is in your household to be able to work together to create a good, clean environment together. Yeah, Jack, can you tell me what you like about Souji?
Well, I like that you can do anything clean at Souji.
Yeah. And when do we do Souji?
After lunch.
That's right. Every day, right?
Yes.
Yep, great.
I'm going to.
Jack, can you tell me what we're about to do?
We're about to do some Souji.
Yes. And what does that mean?
Cleaning the house.
Yes. All right. What's your task for today?
My task for today is mopping.
Great. And what are you gonna mop?
The floor.
Yeah. In what part of the house?
The kitchen.
Yep.
In the hallway.
Fantastic. I'm so.
Can you get my mop wet, please?
Yes, I can. Let's go do the Souji. Yeah.